was home alone when she heard the first knock. 11:42 p.m. Soft. 3 taps on the front door. She wasn't expecting anyone. She checked the peephole. The hallway was empty. She almost walked away. Then her phone buzzed. A voice message from her own number. She didn't send it. She played it. It was her voice, shaky, whispering.
Don't open the door, no matter what it says.
Her stomach dropped. Then came another knock. Harder this time. 3 knocks. A voice followed. From the hallway. Her voice.
Lena, it's me. I forgot my keys.
Her throat went dry. She lived alone. She didn't have a twin. The voice outside sounded perfect. Breathing pattern, tone, even the slight rasp when she was tired. Her phone buzzed again. Another message from herself.
If it sounds like me, it's not me.
The hallway voice spoke again. Softer. Closer to the door.
You're scaring me. Just open the door.
The door handle moved slightly. Slow pressure. Not turning, just testing. Lena backed away, crying now. She called emergency services. While waiting, she heard footsteps outside. Pacing. Then, silence. Then, knocking. But now from inside her apartment, on her bedroom wall. 3 taps. Her phone played one last message automatically. She never pressed it.
Lena, I'm already in.
Police arrived minutes later. They found Lena sitting in the kitchen, shaking. Doors locked, windows sealed. No one inside. No signs of entry. Her phone had no outgoing recordings, no voice messages in history. But the audio files still existed in the phone's storage. Unlabeled. Timestamped 11:42 p.m. Tomorrow's date. Officers searched the hallway cameras. No one ever stood outside her door, but audio sensors in the corridor recorded something. 3 knocks, and a woman's voice, saying,
Let me in.
The voice print analysis matched Lena, 100%. She moved out the next day, but neighbors later reported something strange. Sometimes at night, they hear knocking in the hallway, 3 times, and a woman's voice whispering, Don't open the door for me.